haul today. I'm so excited. I think this is my Minerva order. I have ordered some fabric for a project I'm really excited about. So let's get into it. Okay, cool. So this is what I ordered. It's a wool cashmere blend. It's like a light outer weight fabric. It's nice and soft. It's tightly woven. It's got a smooth feel to it. And it's beautiful. It's just really, really pretty. Let me try to get a close-up of this for you. So it's this kind of charcoaly gray color, and it's got like, you know, like light gray and dark gray kind of woven into it. It almost has a feel of being felted together. It's got beautiful texture. And I'm super excited because I think this is going to be the perfect material for my project. And if you want a little sneak peek of that, this is what I'm making. I have this dress pattern from McCall's. It's M7969. I think the entire sewing world has already made this pattern, basically in like rayon and lightweight dress fabrics, and they all turned out really nice. It's got this kind of like loose baggy feel, and I am going to go a little bit outside of the box on this. I don't actually want to make a dress. I want to make kind of like a coatigan. I think that's what all the cool kids are calling it, but mine's maybe going to be more jacket length. So I want to do basically the top of this pattern. So the statement sleeves, the crossover wrap detail, and then I think I'm going to either use a skirt pattern and cut it short or draft my own peplum. And I think it's going to turn out really well to wear with like skinny jeans and boots over, you know, a cami or something like that. I think it's going to look really good. I think this fabric is going to be a great pairing. Definitely it will give some body to those sleeves, which I think is going to be super cool. So I will take you guys along for the ride to the extent that I can. I'm going to do some more videos on this, and I'm excited to show you how it goes.